subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Xiaomi has launched its new smartphone under Mi 10 series in China called Mi 10s. Talking about the specifications, the Xiaomi Mi 10s features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus Curve AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate. The screen supports HDR10+, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset paired with Adreno 650 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.0 storage. In terms of camera, the Mi 10s supports a quad camera setup on the rear in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 108MP main camera with f1.69 aperture plus 13MP ultra-wide angle lens with 123° field of view plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 8K videos at 30 frames per second, and it also has optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has an 20MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner. The device comes equipped by a large 4780 mAh battery with 33 watts wired, 30 watts wireless and 10 watts reverse wireless charging support. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 11 with MIUI 12 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also comes with liquid cooling system that helps to maintain the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.6 by 74.8 by 8.96 millimeters, and it weighs around 208 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Xiaomi Mi 10s has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 3,299 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 3,499 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 3,799 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in black, blue and white color options. So what do you guys think of this Mi 10s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.